Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to adapt a garden hose to PVC for do-it-yourself projects. Now, attaching a garden hose threads to a PVC pipe has always been a little bit of a challenge. If you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, you can work it out, but it's a pain in the neck. I found this very simple adapter online on Amazon from Orbit. They make actually two different versions. They make a male and a female. The female comes with a hose gasket and also has a swivel. The male does not have the swivel or the gasket. They were just about $5 a piece, and they glue onto standard 3/4 inch PVC pipe and thread very nicely right onto the garden hose. Now these are really nice little fittings. Like I said before, it comes with the gasket. It has a swivel. Anytime you're working with water, you want to read the instructions on the PVC glue, apply it properly, let it dry completely before you let any water run through. But this little fitting allows you to very easily attach standard 3/4 inch PVC to a garden hose or any item that has a garden hose fitting. And this is perfect for a variety of do-it-yourself projects. Anyway, just a very simple solution. Amazon had them online just over $5. They were delivered within a day and really saved a lot of extra time and effort. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a bunch of home improvement projects on there for the do-it-yourselfer. Thank you very much for watching.